Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 4 times 4 divided by 4 times 4 again. Are you ready to solve this? Let's go and solve this. We group 4 times 4 together and 4 times 4 is 16. Again, 4 times 4 is 16. Then 16 divided by 16 is 1. But this answer is not correct. Here is why. Because according to the order of operation, when we have multiplication and division in an expression, we have to work from left to right of the expression. Therefore, first we have to multiply 4 and 4, which is 16, then divided by 4 gives us 4, then again multiplying by 4 gives us 16. So the final answer is 16. Therefore, the correct answer will be 16.